so that those committee members, those justice members who were not given the opportunity to ask their clarificatory questions be provided the same opportunity in the next opportune time, Madam Chair.
Nonetheless, with the indulgence of the justice members, since the opinion of D.S. Suarez is very much valid, may I solicit the necessary motion which will excuse resource person Ramil Madriaga from our today's proceeding and perhaps give him the necessary time, the ample time to travel from the House of Representatives to Bagong Diwa to make sure that he doesn't go beyond the time allowed by him by the court.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Sendanya.
I move to excuse the resource person Ramil Madriaga from this hearing. So move, Madam Chair.
There is a motion to excuse, but we have to consider the travel time plus the traffic. Okay, for the record, since it has been shared already by the justice members, what is provided in the order is 8 to 5 p.m. But nonetheless, it is almost 3:30. And just to be sure that he will reach Bagong Diwa in time before 5 o'clock, let us... Madriaga, would you like to say something?
Nasa akin na po yung waiver ko po sa bank waiver.
Oh. So for the record, Mr. Ramil Madriaga is submitting his waiver on the
Bank secrecy.
bank secrecy law, which means that he's giving his conformity to the committee to look into the accounts mentioned in his supplemental affidavit. So the committee secretary is directed to receive the copy of the waiver of bank secrecy law to form part of the records of the proceedings of this case. But before we finally take action on the motion of the Honorable Sendanya, Comsec, please call the respondent vice president if she is already present so that perhaps we can give her a little time while Madriaga is still here to present her evidence to counter the evidence or testimony of Mr. Ramil Madriaga. For the record, Comsec, please call respondent vice president.
Madam Chair, the respondent is not present today.
Please call first.
We're calling the Vice President, Sara C. Duterte. I'm sorry, Your Honor, she's not present today.
All right. Let it be placed on the record that we called the Vice President to give her the continuing opportunity to present her evidence, including countering the testimony of Ramil Madriaga, but of course that is through the justice members. With that, we go back to the motion of the Honorable Sendanya. There is a motion raised by the Honorable Sendanya to excuse Ramil Madriaga. Do I hear a second? The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Resource person
Madam Chair.
Ramil Madriaga is excused in our today's proceeding. The committee is expressing its gratitude to the court for giving opportunity to this committee to raise clarificatory questions to PDL Ramil Madriaga. And of course, thank you, Ramil Madriaga, for participating in our today's proceeding.
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, should we not
Chair.
ask Madriaga to submit first the waiver?
He submitted already. As a matter of fact, after you signed it, Mr. Madriaga, kindly show it to the committee. Kindly show it to the committee.
Kanino po ako mag-oath, Madam
Mr.
Chair? Mag-oath po doon sa... Hindi na po mag-oath sa...
He's already under oath.
Yung para po sa waiver po, hindi na po kailangan.
Okay. So before finally excusing Mr. Madriaga, we are requesting you to stand up to
Madam
swear
Chair.
us to the veracity of your waiver of bank secrecy law.
Madam Chair, before the affiant takes his oath, may we just know if it has been explained to him, if his counsel has properly advised him about the waiver that he will take an oath to?
Mr. Madriaga, nauunawaan niyo po ba itong waiver ng bank secrecy na law na ito at ang magiging epekto nito?
Opo, Madam Chair.
Ibig sabihin po nito ay mabubuksan yung bank records nyo na inyong binanggit sa inyong supplemental affidavit without us violating the bank secrecy law. You are losing the protection of bank secrecy law. Naunawaan nyo po ba yun?
Opo, Madam Chair, I'm fully aware.
Ito po bang isinagawa ninyong ito ay may paggabay na ibinigay sa inyo ang abogado nyong katabi nyo ngayon, whom I know is Attorney Palad.
Opo, Madam Chair.
So, naiintindihan nyo po ang inyong ginagawang ito?
Opo, Madam Chair.
Okay. So, kindly raise your right hand. As to the contents of this waiver of bank secrecy law, do you subscribe and swear to the truthfulness of the contents of this document? You do.
Opo, Madam Chair, I do.
Thank you. So you may take your seat.
Salamat po.
Again, for the record, this waiver of bank secrecy law will be received by the COMSEC to form part of the records of our proceeding today. As we have acted on the motion already, the BJMP, the Sergeant at Arms, and the NBI are directed to bring back Ramil Madriaga to his place of detention, safe and sound. Thank you. Ramil Madriaga is excused. Maraming salamat po.
Madam
salamat
Chair.
po. To this committee, maraming salamat po.
To give time to Mr. Ramil Madriaga, we are temporarily suspending the hearing.